Assalamu alaikum wa
Walaikum
rahmatullah.
salam. Wow. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How are
Oh,
you?
I'm good. I'm pretty good. So, what's your name? Can you
My,
tell me your name?
my name is Muhammad Toha.
Muhammad Tuha. Muhammad Tuha. Nice to meet you, really.
Alhamdulillah.
So, what about your study?
Alhamdulillah, my study going good.
Going good, right? So, do you like speaking English?
Of course, I like to speak with English.
Oh, you like to speak with English? No, you can say, I like to speak English.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you repeat after me?
I like to speak English.
I like to speak
English.
English. Oh, good. So, can I ask you some basic questions?
Yeah, of course.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Anis.
What's your father?
My father is a businessman.
Businessman, right? So, what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Hamida.
Hamida.
Yeah.
What's your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
Housewife, right?
Yeah.
So, you can say that housewife.
Yes, sir.
Can you repeat?
Housewife.
What class do you study?
I'm studying master in Jamiat Imam Muslim.
Oh, good. Really nice to listen. You can say that it sounds good, all right? And you can say, I study in master's program, right?
Yeah,
Okay. See you later on. Thank you.
inshallah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right.